Load monasteries, API1. After that, open the CMD in the rear cap. PM start. Then do the right click on rear tab. Do the right click on rear tab and open in. So first server is started. Both server is started. Rear tab, node. Some people may have not done. First start your server, rear tab, node both. In the node app, port 1, API1 you compile, and in the rear tab, npm start. This is the page, right? Okay. So we can go here in your React folder and open one more CMD. We have to install something. In React app folder, open the CMD. In React app folder, open the CMD. Okay. Write here npm install bootstrap, npm install bootstrap. npm install bootstrap. npm install bootstrap. After installation, executed. So hope your command is executed. npm install bootstrap. npm install bootstrap. Then you will go to the index.js file in React. You will go to the install. You will go to the index.js file in React. Index.js file in React, and you can import here. Import bootstrap dist css bootstrap.min.css. Import bootstrap dist css bootstrap.min.css. It will link with the bootstrap library. So throughout the project we can use easily. Import this line in index.js file. This has to be after installation. After installation of bootstrap, we need to call that. You will see now little font will get changed. Bootstrap will apply here, the font will get changed. Bootstrap will apply, the font will get changed. Then bootstrap is integrated, everyone. You should install, and after that you should integrate the bootstrap. In the index.js file, you are supposed to import it. Okay, next after this 2 pages we have come to the src folder, create one file, header.js, create one file, header.js, and in header.js file, we need to create the navigation part. Const header return a section tag, last name bglight, mp3 division container division row division college 4 or maybe 3, inside the 3 h2 react node space plus MongoDB. The remaining is 9. College 9, inside 9, 1 button, book list, last name, btn primary, let it be primary only, items, m-1, here also m-1, export default, header. First, you are creating a clean interface where data will come. Clean interface will be ready, then we will understand what we are doing in the backend. If clean interface is not ready, then we will be mixed with everything what we are doing in the backend. Okay. So you are creating a navigation, you are creating the buttons, button click pages will load, and then further next we can come back to the no part. Okay, right till here. Yes, header part is ready. Now what we'll do is here import. Oh, but React router down we have not installed, correct? So we need to install that also. But let's call this one in the there first in the app.js. So hope your header file is ready. The link button we will replace with the link after installing the React router down. This complete code you have in chat, you can use it. I'll come to the app.js again. In app, import header. And header will be the first component inside here, this one. So header should appear on the top and then below two components. Imported. Oh, it's something like this. Because space is less there, right? There's a space. So if your header is loaded, in header file little modification is required. Import the header and do this. H2 we have written there. H2, right? Change to H3 or H4. Reduce the area, font size. header file H3 H2 we have written. We'll try with H3 if it's fitting. If not fitting, then not fitting, right? Then container fluid you can change. Container change to container fluid. There is option, no? Container change to container fluid. It will take the full depth. Automatically white will happen. Oh, still it's coming like this. No problem. Then change this one to 4 and this to 8. That is also possible. Now it will fit in online. We will add the menus here. You can change the font size also. Still bigger only. H3. H4 will be very small. H4 will be very small. Okay. 8 minutes. Well, manage it once. Not agree to manage. Okay, so 8 4 will be okay. 4 and then 8. In 8 we'll try to keep the menus, buttons and all. 8 4 you create. This is the final CSS. This one. Container float row, then column first 4, second one is 8. Inside the 8 also you can write text hyphen and the button will start from right side. Text hyphen and the button will start from right side. Starting from right side, text end, button will start from right side. When we add the menu, automatically it will keep shifting this side. So completed header part. Okay, next after this, we have to make it functional. What functional? Button click, the content has to change. So to the button click, the content has to change is indirectly routing. Okay, indirectly we need to write call routing. So one more CMD was there where you have installed the bootstrap. Come in that. So for some people there is no reply at all. Working or not working? Header files and SRU. Code complete code I can send to the header file code. This is the complete code of header. Take and replace it. Then in app.js file, this is the header we imported and we called here. No other things. Header we imported on the top and we added it. As you have done so many components, create a component and import on the top. That process you have done many times. Same thing. Okay, so we'll not wait for a long time. We'll move to the next CMD. This CMD is pointing to your VS Code. This one, React app. Right inside, npm install React router DOM. 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 We'll come to the app.js file. Import as router. Suggestion is not coming. As router, R will be capital. As router, root DOM, React router DOM. Link we will not call here. Link will call in header file. Link we will call in header file. Here only as router, roots and root. As router, roots and Now this division is replaced with a hash router. Division replaced with a hash router. Header is not part of the roots. Only bottom two is the part of roots. Roots open. Roots close in the last. Roots open. Roots close in the last. Then you will write for root exact path equal to slash book. Then element equal to my put element my item okay, rotate. So first path is book, second path is item. Now in header we have not given anything as of now link. We have to go to header file and we need to give the link and then we'll come back. Now it will not display anything, I guess. Only header will appear on the top. Only header will appear because it's not matching with any path. Right, so hope this file is ready. Come to the header file again. Header file. हाँ मिला के फोटो मिला दोनों भेज दीजिए दोनों in header file, you have to import the link. Import link from React router down. Import link from React router down. Import link from React router down. Now you will come down and button you will replace with the link. Button you replace with the link. Button replace with the link. Okay, got replaced with the link. Now inside the link you have to give to slash book and here link to slash book slash item. Then based on click the page has to load. Nothing. So check how many people on button click the content got changed. On button click your content is changing or not. It will be complete super fast. Before clicking data will come. It's coming from array. Later once it will come from database, it will be super fast. Working. Next after that, little work is pending in these two components. We'll come inside and we'll organize it. It will look better. Anyone error? I'll share these 2-3 files quickly. If any problem, please replace it. React app, header and app. 2 files is required. Item also book. Since those file was working from yesterday, So these 4 files are coming to your chat. I hope you will replace it if any error. But Bootstrap has to install in your system, and then React router down also must be installed in your system. Then it will work perfectly. Come to the item.js file. Section tag we have used in the beginning, right? Section tag, section and h1 here we have followed the division. This is valid only, no problem. Section let it be. For section apply class name as a container. For section apply the class name as a container. And then you will start a row inside. Class name is a row. That row you should close at last. That row should be closed at end. Row open and row close in the last. Something like this. So something got changed little inside. Okay. On this one also you write h1 class name 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖚 and text center. So that it will come in the middle. 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖚 text center. This will come in the middle. It will take the full width. And yesterday we have written here 𝕷𝖊𝖆4. Remember? Now we have so many options in Bootstrap. No? 𝕷-LG- which one? 3. 𝕷𝖊𝖆3 you can write. It will come perfect. It will follow the full rule regulation of Bootstrap. It will fit like this. Margin we can apply below. MB45. MB5 we can write. There will be perfect space in the bottom. Right? Something like this. Okay. This is called item. Book also you can arrange. Do some modification. That also look better. In container also you can write something MT5. So some space will apply on top side. Bottom you want to give some space. In H1 you can write MB4. Bottom space will get applied. Right? In book file also modify. In book.js file also modify. Class name add container. Class name container MT4 you add here. For H1 also do the same. Okay. 𝕷𝖊𝖆12 text center MB4. Then it should be inside the row. There should be a row here. Division. Close. Class name MB, not MB. Class name is a row. This MB and all you have written. Here class name equal to 𝕷𝖊𝖆4. 𝕷𝖊𝖆4 and for 3 MB4. Then for this you can use the H4 tab. It will display the big font size. which code tag you can use here. Right, for this you can write class, any class, maybe text and icon, primary, possible. So this page will also start talking in the bootstrap format. Okay, right? So work for everyone or error? Okay, good then. Let's go next. We'll create one more API in the backend where we'll return the data in the form of nested object. Only one API will call, but in that there will be 4 or 5 types of data. In one URL, there will be 4 or 5 types of data. Serial is separate, user is separate, product is separate, item is separate, something like that. So come to the file called 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖓𝖗s. Okay. Running for that. Working. बताइए क्या नाम है? चांदनी चंद्रानी. Okay, sorry. Working on which one? Click. Book an item. Help. Okay. Okay, let's come to the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖓 file. Write one more here. app.get // all data, comma, request, response, right arrow, create one, let city, store some city name, okay, so some city name we added. Next, let service. This is another variable. Mobile app, website, design, marketing. Create one more variable. Net product, email tool, SMS tool, exam. Now, how many type of data you got? 3 type of data. Now, this 3 type of data will store in one object, and that object will send to the front end. Something like this. Let my data equal to city list will come from the city variable, comma, service list will come from the service variable, comma, product list will come from the product variable. So this become a object with the three property: city list, service list, as well as product list. Now let JSON data equal to JSON dot stringify. JSON dot stringify. In that you will pass the my data. So my data got converted into JSON. Then response dot send and pass here all JSON data. After that, write here response dot end. So when you call this URL, all data, it will give you total 3 type of data in one object. So we have to write variable dot particular, variable dot particular, variable dot particular. Okay, so write it. Let me send you this code in chat. This code is available in your chat. Hello. Okay. I will. So shall I share in the OTP in the WhatsApp? Okay. One message came. No, not received it. Same number. But not received. Okay, so we'll wait. Not received it. Yeah, that's it. As soon as it will come, I'll forward in WhatsApp. Okay, so next we can check this URL in browser how it is coming. Localhost :5500 right? After that, what is that? All data or my data? All data. This will look like this. You can see city object, list of city, service object, list of service, product list, list of product. So let's come to the page now. Coming or error? We'll create a file home.js in React folder. Create a file home.js in src folder. Home.js in src folder. In that you can take some code from the item. At least this API part we can take from item. My home. You take this much from the item file. And we can modify here all data, update data. Then below get item, get item change to get data. Here will be called all data. Then data array. Pass to this function. Update data. Get data function is called in the last. Modification is required. I'm sharing this code in chat also. This URL is going to get 3 type of data from the application. Okay, ready? Written. Come down. My home we have to do the export default. We need to do the return here. division, class name container. Yeah, hello sir. I got it, sir. Not received. Yeah. 626 is right. Yeah. Not received. 8792462607. No. Same number, not there. No problem. Class name equal to row. All icon LC item 4. 4. 4. 4. Okay, go done. Go to the first 4. H3. What is array name? All data. All data dot city list dot length. We can write for total city. Below we can write total service. Service list. Okay, do it. Now we need to call this in the link in header and then add into the routing. Correct? So first adding the routing in app.js file. Import my home. My home. My home will be the default one. Slash then my home. If nothing is mentioned, by default my home. Password sent in the group WhatsApp. Okay, add in the routing and sequence. By default, either is running. Okay. We have solution in home file. This array you have created no array. Here you create a object. Okay, with the 3 property. What are detail list as empty. Empty. Next, service list also as empty. Empty array. And then product list also as a empty array. Then it will display total. Okay, we'll do the listing tomorrow. They will get late. Once you are sending, you just give me I was then on call as well if you can call message. What you do is once you are sending that, just you message in WhatsApp, saying that I will call to the government and I will come to the and I take the okay, so let's come in. Taking length like this. Okay, we'll display this list here tomorrow.